Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for the channel for more updates, and drop your questions and comments below. I would be glad to answer it. For quick updates as well, follow me on X. The link is in the description below. So starting with Solana on the daily chart, we are looking of course here to an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the upside, where we are looking of course for a 5 waves towards the upside, of course for the wave 5. As you can see, the 4 has possibly bottomed here inside our blue channel, the corrective channel, perfectly ranging inside it. Now, what we are looking for, very obviously, that we are looking to test this corrective channel, where after, of course, bottoming here for the wave 4, we are looking at 1, 2, 1, 2, possibly, and 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, possibly, if we could break it, of course. Now, if we cannot break it after having here a 1, 2, possibly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, it is possible to break, of course, this channel and start acceleration, ranging around the acceleration channel, which would be nice to see for Solana in a bullish scenario. Now, of course, this is totally different from what we are looking at Bitcoin right now. Currently, with the prices of Bitcoin, it is true that we are looking now for a little bit higher prices, but however, Bitcoin has given us a 3 waves corrective and not like real impulse so far. Now, we don't know what can change in the market. However, Solana is much more clearer with its move towards the upside now, trying to test this corrective channel for the first time after bottoming here with a wave 4. So on the daily, of course, if we bring here our acceleration channel, you can see that we are even very close again to it. So be careful as well. It might play as resistance, and it might, of course, turn back over here. We don't know exactly now if we are in 1, 2, 1, 2. Possibly, of course, that here we are in a big 1, 2, and then a bigger 1, 2 again, right? So is that also another 1, 2, right? So this is a question. Like, are we gonna retrace again and forming triple 1, 2s? This is a question. And then move up, possibly. As you can see here, like if we're gonna take this as what small 1, 2, and this works as wave 3, 4, and a 5, and therefore this creates 5 waves, which it might finish almost here. And you know, this is a very strong resistance there. Between your corrective channel, your base channel, and your acceleration channel. So therefore, a very, very strong resistance. And we are very close to finish 5 waves, possibly there. Of course, we need some days to get there. But yeah, here is the question. Is it triple 1, 2s? Or it can be considered as 1, 2, 3, because of course it is longer if we could reach this high. Then 4 and a 5, then continuation towards the upside. Therefore, of course, be careful from this area, because it might be a reversal, right, for a wave 2, or it can be a wave 4, right, 4, 5. So we're gonna see how this is gonna unfold, of course, in the next days. Now, if we look here on our bullish scenario, as you said, we are looking for 1, 2 in white, and then another 1, 2 in yellow. Now, is this gonna be your orange scenario as 1, 2 again, and 3, 4, 5, or it's gonna be as 1, 2, and then 3, then 4, and then 5? In that case scenario, of course, then you have finished your wave 3 in yellow here, right? After the 5 in orange, and then your 4, 5 in yellow there, of course, to finish your wave 3 in white, which is this big impulse here, and then finishing this wave 5. Now, as you have realized, it might bring us a little bit lower with a high, right? In this option, or the scenario, it can bring us a little bit lower with a price that we cannot get maybe higher all-time highs. This is what I mean. Unless if we have another 1, 2, then of course it can bring us back higher. Now, what I think that this is much more possible that this could be your wave 3, because I'm looking here at 1, 2, possibly 3, 4, and a 5. And this is what I would like to see, of course, in the next days for Solana, where we're gonna see, of course, some price action towards the upside, obviously, because we need to test anyway our corrective channel and our acceleration channel to see what it's gonna give us. Therefore, yeah, to be watched, guys. Of course, these scenarios here, the paths are still, of course, working. Maybe we're gonna get it from the top here, so we're gonna keep it there. And this, of course, fib level is gonna, of course, be updated based on the high that we get later on. So if we say here wave 2, okay, yeah, that's true still. Okay. Yeah, so let's dive a little bit inside the 1 hour chart to see a little bit much more what is going on here. Yesterday, I think, yeah, I remember yesterday I just made this update and I said, okay, we are in a triangle here. If you remember, yesterday analysis was perfect for a triangle in a wave 4, and here we go. We are looking now for higher prices, and possibly you are finishing a wave here as wave 3. So let's count this a little bit again to make it much more secure and yeah, sure, as 1, 2, possibly ABC, okay, 3, 4, and a 5. Not really, because your wave 3 is very short now. So I believe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think your wave 3 should be even higher. So if this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3, then yeah, we might be very, very higher. So let's try this option, which it can be much more secure, where we are looking for a 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, this is much more likely, to be honest. This will finish here, this will finish there, yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and then this will finish a 4 in orange, and the 5 in orange, where is it? The 5 in orange, oh, this is a 5, sorry for the mess. However, here we go, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, the 5 was gonna finish the white scenario, perfect. And then we're gonna get a 4, which it comes back to the 4 in orange, possible. Based on the Elliott wave theory, the 4th can always range at the same level again. And then it's gonna give us a wave 3 in the yellow scenario, exactly. So 4 and a 5. So that's it. Yeah, I think this is a bear accounting where, of course, we can see here in white, you are looking to 1, 2, right? And then 3, your wave 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably a diagonal. Maybe we get another 4 in the white scenario. Where is the 4? Here we go. Another 4 in this scenario. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, it is, as I said yesterday, it is much more likely that this could be a wave 4 here. Yeah, so I'm not sure, but I mean, this looks like 3 waves now. It's not good. However, let's keep it like that, guys. I think this is much more logical. So to have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, yeah, so finishing, yeah, it could be. Why not? So we can still look for another 4 here, right? And then move towards the upside. So these are the things. Small impulse in white. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finishing wave 3. 4 and a 5. Finishing wave 3 in orange again, where you have a 1, 2 here, then 3 for your orange, then 4 again, and then 5 to finish your wave 3 again in the bigger white scenario, where we are having another 1, 2 here, right? 1, 2, and then this is gonna become, of course, from this point 2 to the 3, of course, and then 4 and a 5 again to finish your wave 3 in yellow, your yellow scenario is a 1, 2 here, right? Or 2 here. It can be, sorry, this is your 1, 2 here. Yeah, this is your 1 for the white. So 1, 2 here, of course. And then, of course, this is gonna be your wave 3 for the yellow scenario again. And moving higher and higher again to almost over than $250 for Solana. And yeah, we might of course take the high, of course. So we're gonna see this step by step. But I just want to show you what a big move towards the upside is coming for Solana, guys. We have a lot of price action coming soon for Solana, and in the next weeks we might see a higher high in this year before 2025. So that was it for Solana. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your comments and like. See you in the next one. Bye bye.